Hello. Okay, welcome back. So this is the clay and this is the filter. After filter into small pieces, you go like this. Okay, the hand can go in. Wow, but not enough, man. So we need this. This is compost, also filtered one. So yeah, illustration only, because I need to buy more compost. This is a river sand. Okay, so 1 part soil to 1 part compost. You see, still wet and moist. Then all inside. Oh, you see how soft it is. Shook. I love it. Yeah, don't go. Okay, see, clump together and you touch it down. It's all very super fine. I love it. Okay, and one more. Yeah. I think 3 parts will do. Ooh, the smell. Okay, this one I think it's not. It's still composting a bit because still got some smell. But still never mind. Still can use. And 1 part sand. Sand. Correct. This one I keep for future use. This one. So you see, without mixing in the sand. Okay. Yeah, my compost not enough lah, but it's still workable. Wow, see, so nice. Okay, got this, and show him the sand. I don't know how many kilo the sand is lah, but still we can still play with it. Wow, sure. So mix well. So got compost, got sand for better irrigation. Yeah, so if you got a longer spade, you can just dip all the way down. Okay, from here. Where's my spade? So if you got a longer spade, okay, you can dip down all the way until the most bottom and you scoop up. Then it's all like mixed already. And of course, yeah, I need to buy 1 more packet of compost for this. Hey, we got earthworm. See, a good soil, you will have a lot of earthworm inside one. So over here, I need 70 liter of this compost. I think 1 pack will do lah. Then soil, sorry, sand should be enough already. If not, later on to drainage, my soil drain off the water before the plant, the vegetable can eat, can drink, I mean. Wow, nice. Okay lah, that's all for today. Also 1 part compost, 1 part filtered clay, strained clay. Then half part soil, then you will have this effect. Okay, if you like it, please follow, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.